This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product.
Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the cover from the top hinge. There's 2 screws. The cover is snapped on. Start from the back and lift up. Under the cover is the door switch, reed switch. Remove the door switch and remove the connection to the ambient temperature sensor. Note, provide additional support for refrigerator door while hinges are being removed. Do not depend on the door gasket magnets to hold the door in place while you're working. I'm holding on now. And lift and remove. Open the freezer door, take the top freezer bin and lift and push it back, and then take the lower freezer bin and tilt it up to remove it. Remove the Phillips screws from both sides of the freezer glides. And lift to remove.